Hello friends. So these questions already I have done, but the interviewer will ask without any function you use increment, decrement and print the count of the vowel. So earlier I have used a set value for the um, get unique number. Okay, from here, but here I am using the list. Okay, I am appending a list here, and then whatever item it is appended in the list, using that item I am counting the vowel. And in this question they are asking print the vowel count who have greater than 2, greater than 1, count who have greater than 1. Okay, from given string. So okay, I will show you how it is working. I will run it and will show, and will debug, will see how happening. So here all unique value has been appended using this for loop. Okay, now from this list, whatever list we have came, using this list we will count the vowel, those who have present more than one. Okay, so you can see that how loop is working. Okay, if you not see carefully will not get how it is happening. So sit silently and try to make the sense why you are sitting. You need to learn, you have to get something. Okay, so that's why we have to do the more concentration on the sharing with our knowledge, and you have to get it the what I am sharing. Okay, you see again and again, then we'll get to know how it's working. If you are new, then it's very difficult. You need to watch multiple time. If you are experienced, you are seeing how it is happening, then it's okay, not a problem. Okay, so okay, it's printed age 2 time, age 2 time. So then we, what happened? Okay, so it's came 2. Okay, so I think it is too fast, so I am reducing the this one. Okay, I will add 2a. Okay, now we'll run it and we'll show you what happening. See carefully. So here also is to time. Okay. So you watch and see. The way will ask like that. We have to make it. Thank you for watching.